Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC condensate drip line is located on this 2013 Jeep Patriot. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It helps out a lot. So your AC condensate drip line is right there at the end of my finger. I'm going to zoom in on it. See it right there at the end of my finger. You can see the water dripping out of it right now. So you can access that from the bottom, but that's where it is right there. Pretty easy location. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.